Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic camper vans of the 1990s, the 1993 Roadtrek 190 Popular. If you've ever dreamed of traveling across America with the comfort of home packed into a compact van, this classic RV might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's find out why the Roadtrek 190 Popular is still loved by travelers and collectors more than 30 years later. The 1993 Roadtrek 190 Popular was built on the dependable Chevrolet G-Series van chassis. It was designed to combine the driving comfort of a regular van with the convenience of a fully equipped motorhome. Unlike large RVs that can be difficult to park or drive through cities, the Roadtrek was compact enough for everyday roads while still offering everything needed for camping and road trips. Under the hood, most models came with a powerful 5.7-liter Chevrolet V8 engine, producing reliable performance for highways and mountain roads alike. Paired with an automatic transmission, the van delivered smooth driving and enough power to carry passengers, luggage, and camping gear without feeling underpowered. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how efficiently every inch of space is used. Despite its compact size, the interior feels welcoming and practical. Comfortable captain's chairs in the front can swivel to face the living area, creating a cozy seating arrangement when parked. The rear seating area quickly transforms into a large bed, making overnight stays easy and comfortable. High-quality upholstery and durable materials help these camper vans remain in excellent condition even after decades of use. The kitchen area is surprisingly functional. It includes a 2-burner stove, a sink with running water, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets for food, cookware, and supplies. Whether you're preparing breakfast at a lakeside campsite or making dinner after a long day on the road, everything you need is within easy reach. One of the biggest advantages of the Roadtrek 190 Popular is its self-contained bathroom. It features a compact toilet and shower, giving travelers the freedom to camp without depending on public facilities. This feature was considered a luxury in a camper van of this size during the early 1990s. The van also includes a freshwater tank, gray water tank, holding tank, water heater, furnace, and roof air conditioner. These features make it comfortable in both hot summers and chilly nights, allowing owners to travel almost year-round. Storage is another strong point. Cleverly designed cabinets, overhead compartments, and hidden storage spaces make it easy to organize clothing, camping gear, and personal belongings. Every corner of the van has been designed with practicality in mind. Safety and reliability were important priorities for Roadtrek. Built on Chevrolet's trusted platform, replacement parts remain relatively easy to find, and many mechanics are familiar with the vehicle. This has helped the 1993 Roadtrek remain a favorite among RV enthusiasts even today. Another reason collectors appreciate this model is its timeless design. The rounded body, clean graphics, and practical layout have aged gracefully. While newer camper vans feature modern technology, many owners still prefer the simple mechanical systems of the 1993 model because they're easier to maintain and repair. Today, the 1993 Roadtrek 190 Popular has become increasingly popular among vintage RV collectors and adventure travelers. Many restored examples continue to travel across North America, proving that quality engineering can stand the test of time. Whether you're planning weekend camping trips, cross-country adventures, or simply enjoy classic recreational vehicles, the Roadtrek 190 Popular offers an impressive combination of comfort, reliability, and practicality. It's a reminder that unforgettable adventures don't always require a massive luxury motorhome. Sometimes all you need is a well-designed camper van and an open road. So, what do you think about the 1993 Roadtrek 190 Popular? Would you take this classic camper van on your next adventure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next classic vehicle adventure.